Here's another example. And in part A, we've got an algebraic expression with unknowns in them, and we've got to find the value of n in this case. Okay, so we've got to unpick this, change the notation so that it is common to both sides. In other words, these square roots are going to go and they're going to turn into powers of a half, and then we've got a chance to sort this out. So turning this round and making k the subject, I've got k is equal to the square root of a raised to the power 7, and if we divide both sides by root a, the root a appears now on the bottom. Well, this is effectively root a to the power 1, but it's on the bottom. So we've got the same base number. It doesn't matter that it's a root a and a root a. This one's raised to the power 7, and this one is raised to the power 1. So this is simply equal to the root of a raised to the power 7 minus 1, using the subtracting powers rule. Okay, this is equal to the root of a raised to the power 6. The root of a, which I didn't really need to keep all the way down, but I did for clarity, this is a to the power of a half. Itself is raised to the power 6. These are multiplying powers, so this is simply equal to a to the 3. And this, of course, is k is equal to. But a fact way up in the question, it says that k is equal to a to the n. Therefore, n is equal to 3. And that is your answer. Okay, let's have a look at part B. Again, transforming the square root sign to 2 raised to the power half, we get 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 to the half. Now that's equal to, remember here is a 1 here. If we add 1 and a half together, we get 1 and a half, or 3 over 2. It is the addition power rule. So this is 1 over 2 to the 3 over 2. 1 over 2 to the power 3 over 2 is equal, using a negative power, 2 to the negative 3 over 2. So just as we were able to transform, let's say, 2 to a negative power to 1 over 2 to the positive version of that power, we can do it in reverse. So 1 over 2 to the power 3 over 2 is equal to 2 to the power negative 3 over 2. And that is your answer for part B.